Hello, Pratom 4. Welcome to our computer science, computer class, or computing class. Okay, so now I'm going to share to you something about what to do with our lesson today. All right, so I'm welcoming you to our lesson. This is called data handling. You know, data means information. Handling means how do you handle information? Okay. Now, if this is your first time to know about Microsoft Excel, we talked about it last time that Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application software, and it allows us to organize and analyze data. All right, so now I'll show you how you can open a file or how you can run Microsoft Excel. Okay, here, look at this. So first you need to do is here, click the start button and type in Excel and then double click it. All right, okay, so let me show you my screen. All right, here. Okay, all right, I'll show you everything here on screen so you will see what to do. Okay, at the bottom right here, okay, I'm showing you my screen. This is my screen. Okay, my screen may be different from your screen. All right, so at the bottom here is a taskbar. If here it shows Excel, Microsoft Excel, but I'm using Windows 8 from my computer here at school, but it may be different from your computer. But anyway, you just type here and in the search button right here, okay, type there Microsoft Excel or just Excel. Okay, now this is not working well. Okay, Excel, EXCEL. All right, in case it does not show up on your screen. Okay, now it shows up right here as you see. Okay, it shows up, it's running now, it's just slow. All right, now it's now okay, right here Excel, you can just, according to the lecture here, what you need to do, start the button, type Excel and then double click it. Now it's opening already, it's running, and then select new. All right, in my screen, select new. Okay, you can select this one. This is also new, blank workbook. Okay, all right, okay, this one, or you can just select new, is also here. Okay, select file, new. No need for new because right now it's already on my screen. Okay, this is now, it is right. So what to do next is to, okay, select new and then blank workbook. This is a blank workbook. All right, and then after that, saving a file. To save a document, click on the file tab on the top left corner and then select save. All right, here. Okay, you have here file and then save. All right, now I want you to place this. Okay, I want you to do browse. If you have browse in your on your screen, I want you to change it. I want you to look for it like D. Okay, to drive D. If you have like for example, you can type right here in your D. Okay, right click right here, you can put new, like EP4. Okay, EP4. All right, and click, double click this one, and then at the top you say here drive D EP4, and you have here in your file name, you can put name on it. All right, what to do, you can save in there. You have to remember which location you are saving the file. You're saving here in this drive D EP4 folder, and you can just type your name. Example, your name is your number first. Example 01, and then example, your name is Rolly. My name is Rolly Obediencio. All right. Okay. And that's fine. And you click save. All right. Okay. So you have it now. Next thing to do is to go to the next instruction here. Okay. Now you insert some data. The data in a worksheet in Microsoft Excel is inserted into a cell. Now you can see here, it's in a cell. All right. We call this cell, cell 1, cell A. This is 1A, 1B, 1C, all right, 1D, all right. There are cells. Now this is how a spreadsheet look like. All right. Let me minimize. So you can see here at the far right corner. Okay, you have here home, insert, page, formula, data, review, view. Okay, now what you need to do is here, let's go back to the explanation here on PowerPoint. Insert, we have the column and we have the cell B3. This is row, this is column, cell B3. This is column B and row 3. All right. And then what you need to do next, each cell is named after the letter of the column and the number of the row they intersect, like B3, B2, right? So the above active cell is called B3. You see that? Now let me show you on my screen here. This is B and this is 3. Okay, B and 3. All right. I can make it big for you, right? Yeah, I can make it big for you so you can see exactly. All right. Okay, here is B3. B and 3. Okay, going back. And then to insert data into a cell, first click on a cell to select it. Click on a cell to select it. All right. And then what you need to do is to then type the data. All right. You type the data in the cell right here. Okay. Anything. All right. You can say sample. It's okay. Just a sample. And then what you need to do next to change the font type. Okay. Here, font, Calibre. The font type and size. You can change the size here. Change the style of the font. You can also change the style of the font. Change this one. The style of the borders. You can change the borders. Change the color of the cell. Change the here alignment of the cell. Okay, now let's do it. Example here in my here. Okay, click here. If you click, it's there. And you can example change the, what is this? You can change the font. Okay, example, I want Aharoni. Can change the size. I want 16. You can change the another one. What it change else? Change the color of the text and cells. You can change the color of the text. This one, this is for the text. You can change it to red and cell. It can change the color into yellow. Then you can have this yellow. Or you can also extend this one, you know, extend it to the right to accommodate this. Okay, so like that. So you just click and drag right. Okay, so change the alignment of the cell. Okay, we have here, you can change it. This is the alignment. You can make it left, you can make it center. Okay, if we make, for example, this, extend the size of the column, you can do it. This is left, this is right, indentation, aligned right, this is align left, align center. All right, that's how to do. Very easy, right? Okay, now what we need to do, we can format the data to make them look more interesting and organized. It's up to us. In here, you can you can put the bottom, you know, you can put the border. You can like all borders. There you have the borders already. You can change also the size of the borders, change the color. Okay, you can change the style. All right, you can make it even this. So there are many ways of doing it. Okay, so it's up to you. Now I would rather go back to here, adjusting columns and rows. We can adjust the width of the columns and also the height of the rows by dragging the sides of the columns and rows. Let's try to change this one. Let's copy this one. Okay, let's copy this one. All right. Okay, let's make it like this. All right. Just back because I'm gonna copy that one. Okay, let me pause for a while to save time. All right. Okay, let me pause for a while to save time. I'm demonstrating to you in actual right here on my screen, okay, what to do. Okay, so let's copy this one. Let's make a column like name test1 test2. All right, right here. Okay, put name and then all right, test1. Okay, test1 and then test2. Okay, and then here we have wait. Okay, I will show you right away. This one. Let's copy this. I want you to copy this, the one I'm doing now, in the Excel software here. Okay, so I type name test1 test2 Jarapong. You see the family name Joseph is not shown. Tun Charanpura is not shown either. Savika Sakaran is not shown. Now in here you can drag this. You see this line? Drag this one to the right and you have it. Now you can show. Okay, now you can also select this one, drag this one, press and drag it here and go to your column, this column. Okay, so you have it already. Okay, and then what next to do, you can change the color of this. Okay, just drag this one in column B and C and change the color of the font into red. Okay, now we have it here already. Okay, so for now I want you to give me a copy of this. Oh wait, this one also. You can change the alignment of these columns. You can make it, for example, just select and drag to the right and use this center alignment. Okay, so this is it. Now I want you to give me a screenshot of this. All right, with your name on it, like example number, if you're number 1, then your name on it, family name, complete name, first name and family name, and also this one at the bottom, section, the comment section below of this Facebook. All right, okay, now then see you for the next learning just for today. Bye-bye.